Hello everyone. How are y'all doing today? This is Cindy with Moonfire Studios. I have a wonderful little package from Japan, from Pandora Papers. And I am just so excited. It's so adorable. I love everything. Look at her cute little, I believe that's thanks on there with her cute little stamp. And we have some pretty, really pretty washi tape to seal the bag with. I'd kind of like to know where she got that one. I would kind of like some. And I love the pretty paper she used for her bag. And oh, there's a little kitty cat washi down here. I love that. I'm gonna leave that on there. It's so cute. I'm a little late in doing this, so I hope all is forgiven. But look at this cute little girl. Aww. And she has a backside. Oh, I like that. That's adorable. And let's get the little brad off. It's sealed with a really nice heavy duty brad there. That is so cute. And let's see. Oh, look, it's a little accordion envelope tag doodad. I love it. I think this is handmade. I like the little tab on the side. There's all kinds of goodies in here, you guys. Let's see what we got. Oh, those cool flags. Oh, neat. High heel shoes ad. That's high heel socks. Oh, how cool. I like that. That's really neat. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, really cool label. Oh, I love that. That's fantastic. And here's some Patron little cigar wraps. Those are cool. There's a bunch of those. Those are really fun to use for tabs and things. And here's some, oh, these are little yen tags for items for sale. Oh, look at how cool those are. I believe the backs are gummed. There's a whole bunch in there. What a cute little glassine envelope too. And this one looks like stamps. Let's open you up. Oh, pretty stamps. There is a goldfish. A pretty yellow flower. Oh, looks like maybe a crane. He's pretty, or could be a stork. Oh, and a seashell. And another seashell. Those are really pretty. Oh, thank you. I really appreciate the time that Hannah takes to put things in these cute little creations she makes. I just love these. Look at the pretty tag. Aww. That looks definitely vintage. That's so cool. But yeah, if you guys have a chance, check out Pandora Papers on Instagram and say hi to Hannah. And she has a sale going on, I think every weekend, if she can. So definitely check her out. And these are just really, really cool. So that's adorable. I just love that. And here's a little thanks. Aww. Oh, with a cute ice cream cone. That's cute. And she will work with you if you need assistance with anything. So I highly recommend her. Oh, some more stamps. These are cool. And she knows I just love stamps. Oh, I love these little labels. Oh, this one's really pretty. Has flowers in the mountain. And bottle label. That's cool. And more yen tags. I love these. These are perfect for little divider tabs or little tag pulls. Those are super cool. I like how the sheet is all together too. This is cool. I'm not entirely sure which way. I want to say it's this way. But I'm not proficient at all in any types of kanji or characters, so just bear with me. I just love the look and aesthetic of things, and she goes out of her way. Lovely Miss Hannah. She made a cute little envelope out of a label to put some neat things in for me and for you guys. Oh, cool. Here's some really pretty geisha pictures. I love those. Those are beautiful. Or if they're not geishas, they're just ladies. I'm not, don't kill me if I get it wrong, guys. Oh, look at this beautiful label. I really like these. These are so pretty. And here's some tickets. Go by bus. Okay. These are so cute. I love tickets. These make great little tuck spots. Oh, and look at this beautiful label. And she'll sell things in sets if you want 3, 4, 5 labels. But you can also get things individually. So if you can only afford one label, she'll only sell you one label. And she's not very expensive for where she is and what you get. And I've had no shipping issues with her whatsoever, so that's always a plus. Coming from Japan to the US, sometimes there can be delays and things. Look at all these beautiful little envelope pockets. Matsui and Company. I hope I said that right. Tokyo. Very cool. I love those. And here's some candle ones. These are really pretty too. I have no idea what they say. And you can always ask her, and she usually tells you what they are if she knows. But these are beautiful. Look how pretty. And I just love these. These are really pretty by themselves on a page or on a card. And here's little paper sets, Japanese paper set. And she puts different ones together, and you can choose the one you want. And here's some, now I don't remember if these are sake or soy sauce labels. Because you guys know a lot of times I always forget just what I buy in the first place. So, they are one or the other. Sorry. I can always go and double check. Oh, look at this cute little tag. Oh my gosh, and there's a tiny little pocket on the back side with tiny little labels in it. There's a 65 yen, little pricing labels. Oh, I'm going to be careful with this one. These ones are really vintagey. I'm not going to take those out on camera because I don't want to mess it up. I need to bring it in closer, but look how cute she's done this. Isn't that adorable? Oh my gosh. Here's a cool label with a sailing ship. I love that. And it's gummed and nice and thick. That's pretty. And then some paper clippings, some origami, and some handmade papers. Look how pretty these are. Oh, on the back, they're so soft. Oh, and check this handmade one out. That's super pretty. Oh my gosh, and it's like silky smooth. That's gorgeous. Oh, here's a neat label. That's really pretty. And so a couple more papers. Oh, and more yen tags. Same size? Yeah. Those are so cool. How neat would it be to keep these together though and make a pocket, and then you can use some of the others for tabs and things. This is pretty. Looks like wheat, and the gold on the things I get from her is just super shiny, super strong, super phenomenal. And here's a book page. I think it goes this way. That's cool. Oh, and look at these. What are these little papers? These are cute. I think they're mathematic. Are they mathematic pages? Because there's a plus and a minus and an equal sign, maybe. Those are super cute. I like those. Those would be neat in a planner. And speaking of planners, here's a couple calendar pages. Oh, these are neat. I like these. Definitely try to put those in my new planner that I just started. Oh, look at this one. With the bird. Are those peacocks? I believe peacocks are really big there and important. Those are cool. Another tag label. I like these. Oh, and look at this book page. How cool is this? Oh, and a piece of illustration. Super cool. Oh, and look at these, you guys. These are big envelopes. And I like how their envelopes are top loading. That's super cool. You can make a journal just with these, you guys. Put some washi tape in between. How neat is that? Oh, you could make a journal, or you could do an accordion. You could alternate the colors. This is so fun. Well, I want to say a big thank you to Hannah from Panrora Papers. And I hope I say her name correctly. If not, please let me know. And I will see you guys next time. Oh, please give us a thumbs up, a like, and a subscribe. And I welcome all my new subscribers and thank all of my old ones for sticking with me. And I hope I can give you guys some really cool content coming up soon. We're going to have to start to create and make with all of these beautiful things here. So stay tuned. I'm really excited to use all these happy things, and I want to let you guys know that I do this so that you know where I get my things from to create with, so that hopefully you can get some for yourself too, or be inspired to try new things like labels and tags and price tags to use as different types of things. And also they give us ideas as well on really cool things to create, to put in with our stuff. So thank you all very much for being with me, and I will see you the next time. Bye!